Today I'm going to show you what to do when all else fails. You can't get that check engine warning light extinguished. Now when the check engine warning light comes on, you need to refer to your owner's manual because this could be something serious affecting the fuel efficiency, the emissions, or some other part of your engine. So take it to a reputable dealer. But I've talked to people who can't get that light off for any reason whatsoever. So here I'm going to show you a simple way to get that light out when you've tried every other way and it just hasn't worked. This way will work. For this repair, you're going to need a 5/16 inch flat blade screwdriver, a 9/16 wrench, scissors, and some electrical tape. First thing you do is get rid of the screwdriver and the wrench. Second thing you do is cut you a piece of tape just long enough. With the engine running and the light on, place the tape over the light. There you go. And that's how you extinguish the check engine warning light on your vehicle when all other methods have failed. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more Geezer Good stuff. Cheers.